Hello everybody, I am Buck WSR Weezer and I'm coming at you today once again in collaboration with Nancy's Garden Soap. Nancy's behind the camera. And our project today is to retrofit this old wardrobe into a shelf system with multiple shelves that you'll be able to arrange in various ways for the purpose of putting racks of soap out to dry or into dry. This used to be, I think it really was a wardrobe, and there is a bar to hang for hangers up here, but we never used it for that. We used this big area as we had a huge TV in here. The thing weighed a ton. We used it for that, and then we just stored a variety of things in here over the years. But now we're going to put a series of shelves. I've got some brackets here, got some lumber, and we're going to do a type of shelving where Nancy will be able to arrange the shelves at different heights and different widths to suit her own needs for drying the soap. Now the first thing I'm going to show you, I've already taken the step and put a few marks, and these are where we're going to put the different shelves, and I've decided to space them 6.5 inches apart. So I made marks here at 6.5, 13, 19.5, and 26. And what I'd like to do is use these brackets.
They are 2-inch, 5.1 centimeter black finish brackets. They were about $3.19 a piece from the Home Depot.
And at each height, using those brackets, I'm going to put a board like this. Now this is not the shelf, this is really just to be the support for the shelves that are going to run back and forth this way. So I'm going to put one of these here with brackets, one of these here with brackets, one of these here, and then of course we'll turn around and also do it on the other side. I've already got my marks at 6.5, 13 inches, etc. So the very next step is to take the brackets, mount them onto these boards. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 for each side, so that's going to take a few minutes. I'm going to put a hinge, 2 hinges on each board, and I'm going to mark 3, with a pencil, I'm going to mark 3 inches off of each end, just kind of to make sure I do it the same each time. So put the hinge up there, and then
You're marking the holes with a pencil?
I'm marking the holes with a pencil.
Show us on the other end. Do the other end, I'll do a close up.
See better down here. Huh?
I got it.
You filming?
Yeah.
Alright, so the hinge is in place. I'm going to mark it.
Good.
The package tells us to drill a 5/64 inch pilot hole at both of those locations. Alright, and now we're going to attach the brackets to the boards using the screws provided.
Can I see one of the brackets real quick? There it is. Right there. Okay.
Okay, there's one bracket on. Okay, so that's one of 8. And since I have to do 8 of these, we'll pause the video. It's not that interesting to watch. And I'll prepare these 8 boards, and then we'll come back when I show you how to attach them to the sides of the cabinet. Alright, I've made 8 of these, 4 for each side. And so I'm going to install one on both sides, and then we'll put the boards between them, and you'll get the feel for what we're doing here. And then we'll just multiply it by 4 and have 4 levels. So I've made my marks that hopefully are pretty level. And now I'm going to take a marker and mark them out, which I already did. Did it on both. And I took a drill and we're drilling pilot holes. Drilling our pilot holes. Alright, so let's hang that first shelf. How's the top of my head look?
Good.
You better answer that.
I guess I will.
Alright, so let's show you at this point how this is going to work. Okay, so here's some pine boards. They're 1x8s. And they'll go up here. And you can put one up there, two, I think 3 of them would be too much. But they'll support plenty of weight. And there is gaps between them to permit airflow. Of course, you can see the back of this cabinet, it's completely wide open. But this will give options. So we've got the first level in, and we're going to add 1, 2, 3 more rows of shelving.
Yeah. There you are. That look awesome.
I have to do this side right-handed, which is putting me at a disadvantage.
Yeah. Sorry.
Maybe I could crawl in here. Do it left-handed, like I prefer.
Looks really good. Those little slats come in the dishwasher?
Yeah, they did.
Dishwasher packaging? Nice.
We are recycling old lumber.
From my new dishwasher. It's awesome.
A lot easier sitting in here, putting the drill in my left hand. Lefty power.
Looks really good. Are the other pieces already cut? Shelving?
They sure are.
Good.
I've already shown the people what it looks like.
Our peeps?
Your peeps.
Nah,
My peeps won't watch this.
yes they will. Your peeps will have, no, my peeps will have their husbands, or whoever it is they have build for them. Though I know there's women out there that, there's women builders out there.
Oh yeah, this is not high-tech stuff.
Even a man could do it. Yeah, it's awesome. Now I need to attach it to a fan.
Okay, so let's
Wow.
put the yeah, you're gonna put a fan in there for ventilation?
A fan or dehumidifier in.
Well, I was saying how the back's open, there's room between the boards so you can get ventilation.
Yeah, hang on 1 second. Nice.
So we're putting in the shelves. You could put 1 or 2 on each level if you wanted.
Yeah, I'll probably put 2.
You could put 3 if you stick if they hang out the back a little bit. Don't see any real
Yeah, that's
advantage
nice.
to that.
Nice. Oh, it filled up in no time. Cool,
There it is.
thanks. Awesome. No, I really do. I just need like fans. Some kind of fan or dehumidifier. I wonder if I can stick them down there. Hey, do you guys see my extra stick blenders? My backup stick blenders? 1, 2, 3. I got 3 of them down there. Maybe 4. Might have 4 of them. 4 extras right at the bottom from thrift shops.
Nice.
Yep. You're not supposed to know about them. All right.
No one will know the secret stash of soap. Some
Yep.
people hide guns and ammunition.
Not around here.
We hide soap.
All right.
This is Buck WSR Weezer.
In collaboration with Nancy's Garden Soap.
I'm going to put the links down in the description so you can actually see my channel and the other stuff that I do if you're interested.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.